Hello students, welcome back to Midshaw Technologies video. I am your English teacher Tanuja Sharma and today we are going to start with the exercises of chapter 11 conjunctions. So, without wasting much time, let us start the exercises. First exercise, fill in the blanks using correct conjunctions. Alright. First, my father dash mother are going to Jaipur. My father dash mother are going to Jaipur. Now what will come over here? My father and mother are going to Jaipur. Next statement is, we can have a pizza. We can have a pizza dash a burger. Now here choice is there. We can have a pizza or a burger. Clear? When choice there, what we use? Or. Third, dash, we can either, it is written either, and by either we come to know that some option or choice is there. Third, dash the school was cancelled. Dash the school trip was cancelled. We went to the park. We went to the park. What will come? Since the school trip was cancelled, because that means because the school trip was cancelled, we went to the park. Next, we gave him a gift dash it was his birthday today. We gave him a gift dash it was his birthday today. Again, it is giving a reason. We gave him a gift as it was his birthday today, or because it was his birthday today. Both can come. Clear? Then next, we should reach school. We should reach school dash the gate closes. The gate closes. We should reach before the gate closes. Before can also used as a conjunction. Clear? We should reach the school before the gate closes. Alright, before this action takes place, we should reach the school. Clear? Next, 6th, dash we were quite tired, dash we were quite tired. We continued walking to our home. We continued walking to our home. To our home. We were quite tired. That means although, then we were, sorry, it is were. Although the condition is negative, but the result is positive. Clear? Though we were quite tired, we continued walking to our home. Although we were tired, we continued towards our home. See, the use of this is the use of though and although can be used over here. So here I am using although. Although we were quite tired, we continued walking to our home. Next, 7th, I could not go to play. I could not go to play dash, it was raining. It was raining. I could not go to play because it was raining. As it was raining, both can come. All right. For can also come. For it was raining. Next, do you want to play chess? Do you want to play chess dash carom? Do you want to play chess, right? Do you want to play chess dash carom or carom? Choice is there. Clear? 9th, I am sure dash you will like the film. I am sure dash you will like the film. What will come? I am sure that you will like the film. Bed early. We went to bed early dash we were tired. We went to bed early because we were tired, as we were tired, for we were tired. Because or as, both can come. 11th, they did not allow us in. They did not allow us in dash we were late. Dash we were late. What will come? Because we were late, as we were late. Clear? Last. We waited for her. We waited for her dash. It was dark. Dash. It was dark. We waited for her when it was dark. We waited for her again because it was dark. Clear? I hope this is clear to you. This is the solution for exercise A. Now let's move upon exercise B. Now exercise B. In exercise B again there are fill in the blanks, but you have two options, that is until and and. Alright. So let's start it. Birds fly dash fish swim. Options are until and. Until and. What will come? Birds fly and fish swims. And fish swim. Clear? Both the sentences are different. Alright. Second, we eat dash we may live. That we may live. Options are but or that. What will come? We eat but we may live? No, they are they are not contrast, or they are contra sentences, or they are not opposite sentences. We eat so that we can live. Alright. So, we eat that we may live. Clear? Third, I took my umbrella. I took my umbrella dash it was raining. Dash it was raining. Options are but or for. What will come? I took my umbrella but it was raining? No. Again there are no different sentences. I took my umbrella for means reason, because it was raining. So, for. Clear? Fourth, I waited dash the train arrived. I waited dash the train arrived. Until and the other option is because. I waited because the train arrived. This was the reason I waited. No, this conjunction is not fitted over here. So what will come? I waited till the train arrived. Until the train arrived, I waited. This action I continued until the train arrived. Clear? Next. Fifth, the sun hid behind the clouds. The sun hid behind the clouds. Dash, it started raining. It started raining. Options are when and until. What will come? The sun hid behind the clouds. Until? No. When it started raining, the sun hid behind the clouds. So when will come over here. Clear? Next, last statement. I went for a walk at night. I went for a walk at night. Dash, I was afraid of darkness. Dash, I was afraid of darkness. Options are as or though, although. What do you think? What will come? I went for a walk at night. As I was afraid of darkness, I am afraid. That's why I went out. No. I went for a walk at night. I did this work in spite I am afraid of darkness. So, although I was afraid of darkness. Clear? I hope exercise B is clear to you. Now let's move upon the last exercise, that is exercise C. Now exercise C, in exercise C you have few sentences and you have to join those sentences with the help of a conjunction. I was hungry, I saw some bananas. I was hungry, full stop, I saw some bananas. Now you can join these sentences with a conjunction when. How? See, I was hungry, or you can say I felt hungry. I felt hungry. Remove this full stop with when, that is with the conjunction when. I was hungry when I saw some bananas. I started feeling hungry. You can take a meaning out of this sentence like that. I was hungry when I saw some bananas. After seeing some bananas, I started feeling hungry. Clear? Next sentence is, it was very hot, we were thirsty. It was very hot, we were thirsty. Now, you can see that here, this is a reason that it was very hot. Behind this action, clear? This statement is a reason behind this action. Now you can, when the action, when there is a reason, when we have to give some reason, which conjunctions we can use? Because, since, for, and as. You can change the sentence like this. We were thirsty because it was very hot. We were thirsty as it was very hot. We were thirsty for it was very hot. First you have to write this statement, and after adding in conjunction like because, as, and for, you have to write this statement. But if you will add the statement with the help of the conjunction since, then what you will do? You will put the conjunction in the starting. Since it was very hot, remove the full stop and add a comma, we were thirsty. Since it was very hot, we were thirsty. All right. Now, let us join these sentences both the ways. Since it was very hot, we were thirsty. This is the first case. Clear? Another sentence you can make is, we were thirsty. Now you can add because, as, for, anything. All right? It was very hot. We were thirsty because, as, for, anything you can use. But in this statement we have changed the order. Clear? Third, we were thirsty, we did not complain. We were thirsty, we did not complain. Now here, the condition is negative, but the result is positive. So you can add this statement with though and even though. Though we were thirsty, we did not complain. Even though we were thirsty, we did not complain. Both are right. All right. So, I am going to add this with even though. Even though we were thirsty, even though we were thirsty, remove this full stop with a comma, we did not complain. Clear? Now, last statement, I wore a coat, it was cold. It was cold. Now again, this statement can be added both the ways. I wore a coat because it was cold. I wore a coat as it was cold. I wore a coat for it was cold. Anything. I wore a coat. You can add because, as, for. All can come. All can come. It was cold. And if you want to add since, then since will come starting. Since, change the order of the sentence, it was cold. I wore a coat. Since can come in between also. I wore a coat since it was. I wore a coat since it was cold. Here also it can come. It was very hot since we were. Since it was very hot. Like we were thirsty since it was very hot. Since can come in between the sentence also. But yes, you have to change the order. Clear? Over here you have to change the order, not here. Clear? I hope all the exercises of this chapter are clear to you. This is all from my side. Revise the chapter and revise all the exercises. Thank you for watching the video. Have a nice day.